How to get your LinkedIn profile URL. This tutorial shows you how to find and copy it from your desktop. First, open your browser. Go to linkedin.com and sign in. After that, click your profile picture in the top right. From there, click View Profile. At this point, on your profile page, click Edit Public Profile and URL on the right side. In the next step, your profile URL will be shown under Edit Your Custom URL. Following this, click the pencil icon next to it if you want to customize the URL. Once done, click Save if you made any changes. Keep in mind, LinkedIn only lets you change your custom URL a limited number of times, so pick one you'll stick with. Finally, copy the URL from the address bar to share your profile link anywhere. And that's it. If this guide helped you get your LinkedIn profile URL, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.